How are things? What's up with you?
I don't know. I feel terrible.
Why is that?
I had an exam and I still don't know the result, and I feel so excited.
What type of exam was it?
It was master exam.
It
It
was an
was,
exam to get into a master's program.
yeah.
Oh, gotcha. Well, in America, we call it the GRE. Does it have a name in Azerbaijan?
No, it's just master exam.
Okay. And how confident do you feel, or less confident?
So we had three subjects, English, logic, and informatics. And I feel confident about English and logic, but not confident about informatics. Because, informatics is like you need to just memorize everything. And I'm not good at memorizing, I'm good at understanding. So I messed
Let
it up,
me
I think.
Let me share my screen here so I can try to understand what you're saying. The science of processing data for storage and retrieval. Does this depend upon the major that you choose in your master's program?
Actually, it has nothing to do with my major, but it's Azerbaijani system. I hate this system. You need to learn this meaningless things. Here we say informatica. It's about computer science, everything about computer program.
You feel like you're not that good in informatics.
No, actually, I'm good. You know why? It's only on paper. I don't like memorizing. If they give me computer, I can work on it and I can do some tests. They ask it on paper and I don't remember the exact things, and it's very difficult. But in logic,
Makes
it's not
sense.
like that. In logic, they ask some questions and you use your brain and without any memorizing and you do tasks.